WCDBO 091, May Garin Pajarello, 23 years old, single, HRM graduate, 2 years experience as domestic helper in Philippines. Tell me something about yourself.
My name is May Pajarello. I'm 23 years old, and I have 2 years of experience of domestic here in the Philippines.
Location or place, how far or how many hours of travel going to Maynila?
It will take 1 hour and 45 minutes.
Family background?
My father is a laborer, and his name is Rolando Pajarillo, and my mother is Perla Pajarillo, and I have 1 sister and have 1 brother.
If with children, who will take care of them?
I don't have children because I'm a single.
Tell me something about your DH experience.
I will do a household stuff. We do a washing, ironing, and vacuum, prepare the needs of the kids, and we have sweeping and cleaning the house.
Do you know how to cook Chinese foods?
No sir, but I'm willing to learn.
What are your hobbies?
Cleaning the house.
Are you willing to take care of newborn baby or elderly?
Yes sir.
Do you know how to do the bottle feeding?
Yes sir.
What are the steps of bottle feeding?
First, wash, and after that, sterilize the bottle, then after sterilize, sanitize or dry, then put the milk in the bottle and put a hot water, then shake, then put it in warm water.
If the baby still keep crying, what will you do?
First, I will check the diaper, then I check the head if she or have a fever, and then if she or he still crying, I will tell my employee.
Do you know how to sing lullaby song?
Yes sir.
Sing!
I love you, you love me, we are happy family, with a big great hug and kiss from me to you. Why won't you say I love you too?
Thank you. Do you have any other talent?
A little bit of dancing, sir.
If you feel homesick, what will you do?
I'll only focus my mind in my job so that I don't feel homesick.
If one of your family members will get sick, will you break the contract? What will you do?
No sir, I don't break my contract. I will help them in terms of my prayer, and I will help them also to their financial needs.
What could you teach the children?
I will teach them for their good manners, or I will help them for their project or assignment.
How long can you work in Hong Kong, and why Hong Kong?
As long as I have opportunity to work in Hong Kong, I will work for them. And why Hong Kong is because they have a lot kind of people, and Hong Kong is also a safe place.
Thank you, WCDBO 091, May Garin Pajarello.